DTF dreams, no drama. The DXZ A3 Plus prints fast, slays mess, and makes teas like a boss. Tired of printers that act like divas and clog more than traffic on a Monday morning? Meet the DXZ A3 Plus DTF printer, your new print hustle hero. This beast packs XP600 firepower, printing at twice the speed of the L1800 and L805, with ultra-sharp 2800 by 1400 dpi details so crisp, it'll make Photoshop blush. Whether you're running a side hustle or launching your merch empire, this printer pumps out professional-grade results that scream quality, and does it fast. Bonus: it's got a built-in oven and comes with a pre-configured laptop, so you're cooking with gas right out the box. Say goodbye to ink-plosions and tech tantrums. The one-click ink system is so clean, even your mom wouldn't yell about spills. No mess, no manual priming, just press a button and you're print ready. Add in the dual white ink circulation system, and this bad boy stays ready. No more clogging, no more patchy prints, and no more wasted ink. Just smooth, saturated colors on every shirt, tote, or whatever your creative brain conjures up. It's like giving your designs a VIP treatment without the red carpet price tag. And let's talk about the plug-and profit power move. A fully pre-configured laptop comes included, preloaded with the necessary DTF software so you can literally plug it in and start printing. No drivers, no downloads, no endless YouTube tutorials. The DXZ X13 is Windows exclusive and unapologetic about it, because it knows what it does and does it damn well. If you've ever spent hours screaming at tech support, this setup will feel like a spa day for your brain cells. This isn't just a printer, it's an all-in-one printing ecosystem built for hustle-happy creators. Along with the printer, you get the A3 oven, 100 meters of film, 5 250 milliliters ink bottles, DTF powder, cleaning tools, and a USB with setup instructions that even your tech-phobic uncle can follow. Did we mention a 2-year ink supply is included? That's not just a deal, it's a printing miracle. You'll save money, time, and a ton of stress every month, and still pump out heat-pressed goodness like a pro. With a sturdy build, responsive customer support, and the kind of print quality that makes other machines jealous, the DXZ A3 Plus DTF printer is a no-brainer investment for creators who are serious about scaling. It's faster, cleaner, more efficient, and straight-up easier to use than anything else in its price class. Whether you're designing tees for TikTok drops or building a custom apparel empire from scratch, this machine's got the brains, brawn, and budget friendliness to take your brand from meta moneymaker.